We're talking garage doors today. First thing we want to address is safety. So there's a couple of safety features that we're going to look at. One of them is there's a kick sensor. This sensor is ever tripped when the garage door is going down, it should let the garage door stop and then go back up. There's also another function to your garage you should be aware of. It's a pressure switch. So when the garage door comes down, it should stop and go up. This one's not working properly. So these are things that we can adjust for you. There's also some other things about your garage door that you should be aware of. For one thing, the tracking. Sometimes your garage door, because of age, will become loud or just doesn't work properly. We have products that we can put into this railing to make it operate smoother. Pieces of your garage railing can actually be broken without you knowing about it. There's rollers up here. Some people on their older garages will have metal ones. These, of course, have been upgraded to nylon, which make your garage operate smoother and more quiet. You may have a remote to your garage. It may not work. If you want to add another one, we can help you with that. Some garages have keypads on the outside, like this one. If this is something that you would like, we can also add that for you. And for some reason, if your garage just has an old motor and you're wanting to upgrade to something that is more friendly, operates through Wi-Fi, well, we can also do that. We can help you install new garage door openers. These things homeowners can also do, but hey, if this is something you're not wanting to do, please reach out to propertydoctorsdfw.com and see how we can help.